Morning traders, and this is your Aussie day trade setup for today. So Friday was, as I expected, not much going on. I just want to put in the high and the low of Friday, because that seems to be, if you look to the left, there's a lot of interaction with that. Not so much in the most recent past. But anyway, there's a couple of things that are going on the go here. I think we are still in this channel. Well, we've broken the channel, so I would expect some kind of a retest of the channel and then a continuation to the downside. So that's kind of what I'm looking for, and this is pretty much the move that I'm waiting for. Okay, and I'm just going to take that to the 200 daily EMA right over there. So I'm looking for 5400. Okay, there's a gap close and there's a 200 daily EMA. So that's kind of what I'm looking at the moment. Okay, let's just get to lower time frames where we can start looking at things. Okay, this bar here is actually crap data, so let's just try and ignore that for now. My broker hasn't fixed it up, but you can see how we've come back to the 200 EMA on the 3 hour. Okay, we're also retesting. We haven't quite yet, but this breakout here. So that is still a valid area for me to get short again. Okay, so I'm looking for 51680. That's pretty much what we're looking for, and then looking for that second move down. Okay, if we get down to the hour, I think that should give us a little bit more information. Very volatile, as you can see by the moving averages. Every day we're basically crossing over or coming close to crossing over. So there's no real trend. If you look at the oscillators, we are coming back. We're looking for a level. That is the most logical level there. We have broken through this level. Okay, so 51,500 is also a level, but not that critical by the looks of things. We're more interested in 51,680. 51,680. That is the level we're waiting for. Price gets back there. I'm fairly tempted to take a short. What I would like to do as well is just get a Fibonacci on that, and we're at the 50% Fibonacci, as you can see. We've touched that, and 61.8 lines up with the 200 moving average here. So whatever you do, that's the area we're looking for, and then I'm looking for a stop right above. My stop needs to be above 52,300. So that's going to be a 430 point stop loss. Okay, let's just get down to the half hour, and then I want to have a look at the ichimoku, because that'll give us another indication. So if you look at the half hour from Friday, as I expected, it was pretty much all over the place. We didn't even get a closing range breakout. Target hit. We did break to the downside of the closing range and then broke to the upside. So pure indecision. I'm tempted for that short, but it's kind of a 50-50 call at the moment. So I think if we do get this level for a short, I'll take a very small nibble at it with a fairly large stop loss to see what happens. And then you can get a couple of measured moves. So this was a move down. You're looking for a retracement, and then another move down. Okay. But there is a good chance that we continue with this indecision for today. If we just have a look quickly at what the markets are doing now. While that opens, we can switch across to the ichimoku. Okay, and we want to start with the hour. So if we look at the hour ichimoku, the trend is down, and we should be looking for a level to continue the trade to the downside. Okay, so that is, it is in a range towards the close here, but nothing really serious. I think this is the one I'm really interested in. So we've broken through the 4-hour cloud. We are flat. Okay, and we threw Kijisen and Tikinson. So this area here of what we're looking for is short, and you can see there is a potential for us to go all the way back to Kijisen as well. So 51760, 51680. Those are the two areas that we're looking for a short. Okay, if we look at the daily, we've had a daily crossover here. We've bounced off Kijisen. So the next step that we're looking for a real breakthrough is the bottom of the cloud, which is coincidentally lines up with some of these previous lows. Okay, so the higher time frames here, I do agree. Hang Seng was down 1% at the moment. Rand dollar 14.28, nothing really there. And the US markets were fairly flat on Friday. So I do suspect that this move to the downside is going to continue. We could get some sideways motion today, being a Monday with no real catalyst to drive it. But those are the levels that we're looking for. Anyway, guys, I hope that helps, and I will catch you guys later. Cheers for now.